Just remember this, saying, even the devil used to talk to the Almighty Creator, you know. You know, so Satan used to go have reasoning with God. So, may I say that for say, these are the days when people will be feeling for God the most. But guess what we got with that? You can't feel for God, you have to know God. And if you don't know God, you have to have the patience to do all of what Him say, to make you know Him. So I don't have to come upon here to come preach about His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie. Because I'm my God that. Me call Him my God. If you want to ask me something about Him, then yeah, you can ask me something and we can share that. But we use God in the context of the broad context of how people worship the Almighty. And especially now that we're seeing that there's a push to replace the true essence of what the Almighty should mean. The Almighty mean love from the heart. Meaning, you can do me the wickedest thing, but the love in my heart now going to allow me to become as evil as you, or if you pray as evil as you. Because people do love the devil more than how them love God. Them love the things where the devil give them more than the things where the Almighty give them. Because the Almighty give them rewards, but the devil give them awards. And they love awards. And they'll do anything to be awarded. But some of we want to be rewarded. Do you want to be rewarded? Type if you want to be rewarded. I want to be rewarded. Type I want to be rewarded, if you see what I say. I don't want to be awarded. So we see what propaganda they do to Marcus Garvey. We see what propaganda do to Bob Marley. We see what propaganda do to all our ancestors, them, brother. You couldn't use propaganda against we, you know, when the Almighty did make we, if you know. We come from the future, man. Deal with it. You never expect to see me over here in the future. You never want me to be over here, though. I want to be rewarded, man. And I is working to be rewarded by the Most High. Not awarded by no demon. No demon. So we're standing up fully with the Almighty Creator. Comes what may, we're putting everything on the table for the Almighty Creator. You don't know what that means. That means a Job settings. For those who love to take up the Bible, go read about Job, no man. Go read what Job do, no man, when time them a pile on the pressure and I say, I go Lego God in, I go we are the one them when now I go Lego God, I want to put my life into context so the eye them can see say. Me they are foreign, as a matter of fact, big up to the ones who came out to the tree because show them myself, Etana, Ginger, I love you so much, my youth. Yes, I said us go on, hold on to God. Ginger, them are one of the youth, them in the music, we hold on to God. The artists them will hold on to the Almighty, and we a Farm Alliance to tell you the truth and continue to be here for you. So that when the matrix turn on fully, some of I and I will escape it, can be here for say, yeah man, that the ancestors that try, you know, save we from man, we there man. The ancestors them right now to all them round me, I'm so honored. Me personally, Queen Ifrica, speaking for myself, I am honored to stand on the shoulders of my ancestors, man. I know what my country did for this world, Jamaica. I know what Jamaica did for Africa. And the devil want to use Jamaica now to set up shop, to establish demonism from Jamaica. And they all wish that I am a part of some society somewhere. I am a part of some society somewhere, yes. The universe, the atoms, the frequency, the vibration, the breath of life, the Most High. That's the alliance. No weapon form against I shall prosper. Because we serve and worship the Almighty Creator for true, who made us in our wholeness. I want to know. Let me tell you something, man. You see the stuff that is on the island right now, and everybody's still going ahead, Andrew Wholeness, them still going ahead and making them plans. And while I'm at it, I want to make this report to you that I went and had a meeting with Mark Golding the other day. Because the story with me and Mark Golding is that many years ago, I was sitting at home one day watching a 12 o'clock news, and him came on for the first time when he was entering into politics, and he looked like, as I described it to him, a raggedy old pirate with a ship crash out at sea and him just roll into shore. Like him never couldn't mash no ants. So, me see like a halo was what me see through the TV over him head. So me said to the rebel, say, boy, me not really know whether anytime I see him, I can ask him and he can tell him if I like, because him love dates and them things that too, so him we can say whether I lie me I tell or not. See? So me said to him, say, yo, you know, say, just show me one halo over Mark Golding head, but me not sure if he what. So me have to just go and watch him and ask Jack to give me the time and the patience to watch him. See? So I watch him throughout the years, and I see him just hold a steady place in the PNP government. See? So based on that, I say, alright. Remember when the wheat thing come up on him, I was a part of the meeting of the delegation of the Rasta community where they go. If you go see the fairness of how Rasta go benefit from it and them things. They saying. And in the meeting, they pick up a sense of genuinity upon him in terms of from a governmental man level, because you know the governmental people, them hard for sure genuine vibes. Anyway, fast forward to now, we may not become the leader of the PNP. Now we see him just get president, so we can address the PNP thing now proper, because the game just start now. See? So, I went and had the meeting with him a couple of days ago. Before me fly go America, I go do the 2 little show with myself, Etana, Ginger, and so. Nice vibe. You know what I mean? Give thanks to the people who turned out. It wasn't a big spread, but it was an intimate settings, and all the ones who came, we give our best and we perform. And I think we have supposed to have a few clippings and things for share. Seeing? So yeah, Mark Golding now at the front of PNP, which is the bigger Babylon coming after this year, 1 year we create this year. Because where the builder do, was what Andrew Wholeness did was create the building for the new government. But as the builder, him build the building and want move in at the building too. Him for build the building and go on about him business, you know. But him want, so the building is the new Jamaica where them a create, the new money, the new lifestyle. Police are going to beat me up if I ever talk loud. All like I me want to see the cell where them build for me in the new concentration camp. Because you them say them a come for those who depend on internet and make trouble. See, so I tell you from Wednesday, them a plan to turn off some of them social spaces here from people like us who now plan to bow anytime soon and willing to take anything where you come with. So, you know what I mean? Sit down with Mr. Golding, and Mr. Golding is saying that him have a good intention for Jamaica. Now, me can't put a stamp on that. Based on the situation that we are in as a country, I cannot put a stamp on that. Because I see one big army line up around him. But even though him not do no pushback towards the government and not expose nothing towards the government, him have this automatic support. So my thing to him was, my lord, please, make sure say I no row your row PNP boat in, and when he come in, then them move you out and put in who they want to put in and do what they want to do. Because remember now, you know, PNP government is the government that excuse the gay agenda in Jamaica, you know, starting with Sister P, openly. Seeing? It was when them in power, them turn off my mic at the Grand Gala You know, for advocate for me go back on the Grand Gala too. Because I was protecting the culture when me did say, this did I come. Seeing? And we go there and we say, leave with culture as it is. We not say, we don't know if make no changes, but leave with culture as it is. Seeing? And this is why Queen Ifrica is in the position that I'm in. And I'm proudly in this position because I have no regrets on that what I did, and I'm about to do even more in terms of making it plain that Jamaica is a country worth defending. Not only Jamaica, the country, but the people that is left, that is authentic and genuine to this island, that is found here on this island. The Africans that started traveling before slavery, those Jamaicans are worthy of defense, and I will defend them until the day I left this side and come back again. Seeing? So I cannot trust what the PNP government is doing with the seriousness of what we need as a government right now. And if Jamaican people are going to sit down and allow Andrew Holness, as it is alleged, them to pay for our next election in Jamaica because of what their Satan powers is giving them, then that is where us, the people that is known to be the greatest resistance and the greatest resilient people, that is where we would have failed ourselves as a people. And this is why the unity that we're asking for is so important, where it is a unity of forgetting everything that happened and let's stand in one space as Jamaican, as we see many other nations from France to the many other countries around the world that are making that attempt right now to stand in one voice against governments. We see even in Russia, whether it is a part of what is the new push against what is original or not, we see people coming together and standing up to their world leaders and telling them that we are not satisfied with your guys' approach to how you govern, develop, and create new developments for us as a country. None of these organizations, none of these advocacy groups that I've reached out to, none of them want to talk to me in any of their meetings. And I'm not going to say that in a vindictive way. Some of them do, but with conditions. They want to condition my mind coming into their spacings. And that is why sometimes when I come out with the burst that I come out with, I do it because we over the guerrilla warfare in a real life, and how you have to splash sometimes to get the attention and the things that you need to do to get the things said. And we will not stop doing it. I am begging and beseeching Jamaican people that 2023, the government now will take their break. They're not coming back into Parliament until maybe about in September. So Sumfest, that's why you see the crime rate gone down all of a sudden, because Sumfest coming up next week and them want to go Sumfest go party, so they want them friends them to come in and the crime ease up for that 2 days. Yeah. Let me tell you something. The army that is set up around Jamaican people is a wicked and a cruel army, and I know them. I know them because the Almighty Creator make we see them not only with these eyes but with the cranium eyes. We see them with the cranium eyes. We see them with the third eyes. We see them what them do, and they're about to turn all of us down here into the new world order slaves if we don't unite as a people. And Muta Baruka, whose side are you on? Whose side are you on? Muta Baruka, whose side are you on? Kabuma at Keru, whose side are you on? Whose side are you on? Buju Banton? Whose side are you on? Tony Rebel? Whose side are you on? Chief Richard Curry? Whose side are you on? Whose side? I am on the side of the people. I am on the side of the people. Jamaica people need to know the truth once and for all so that the unity can be established and that they not kill out any more of us. They're killing out us. They're killing out one set of Jamaica. And then they're going to establish a colony of slave-minded Jamaicans, and they're going to call it, this is what we have after the revolt and after all the issues. My blood boils. My heart cries every day for my innocent Jamaican people who are dying simply because they are Jamaican people and they don't know what to tell them or what to do with them. I'm calling on the Pan-Africanist movement in Jamaica to stop being hypocrites and stop fighting for your running Africans and your offsprings and who you know which tribe you come from and which tribe you belong to. Who is talking for the Jamaican people who had no one when they came along and we had to defend ourselves? Who is talking for those Jamaican people who, because you know say, you know kill we out and stomp we down and docile we down? Jamaican people stop eat KFC, you know stop eat Burger King, stop eat Wendy's, stop drink Ray and Nephew. Who allow an alcohol company to be bigger than the establishment of government rules and laws? Who allow an alcohol company to be bigger than a health ministry in a Jamaica? Who allow an alcohol company, who allow tobacco to be the order of the day? Cape Town, who make tobacco come down pan Jamaica. Me never smoke tobacco from a barn yet. A the bubble them in a music, letting tobacco pan the youth them, the dancehall artists them letting alcohol, and some of the Rasta artists them we go join them and go drink it too. And look pan Jamaica today, and I come tell me say I'm me mad, while the whole of who know still a take side with the system against Jamaican people. And a plan now to resurface again, to come bow down the few away. We left here because we love you. All of you we come along. I love you use against Jamaica people. I love you use against we. We love the whole of you. That's why Kerry Washington, a Jamaican, she come back. We say Chance the rapper there. Tutor, our name Shudo, the Canadian president, they are Jamaica on vacation in a Jamaica, and I talk about Jamaican people not forget these have to come there because you want to suppress why. Talk why we not forget no. You know, kill off Jamaican people and drive them where that's why no one can wake up and we the wheel warriors of the rock where they here and say, you know now get we come walk up and down with nothing, no foolishness. You have to come tell with the truth. Seeing? You have to come tell with the truth and talk the real raw truth. You can't have no half agent and no half love. We done with the half love for Jamaica and the half agent. You know, oh me love Jamaica, but see homosexuality work with the man cause I saw it go. Where the ones them there, we are going to stand up and tell the little boy them say it's not okay to be transgender. It's not okay to not know your self-identity. You cannot create an idea of what you think self-identity is and saying that that is what identity is. Identity is what you feel in your heart. Yes, okay, in your heart you feel like a girl. Question it. Don't just go by a sudden indoctrination. Check it. Come to the conclusion fully. You have these whole heap of sheep. We are born out of rape and grime. I come and be advocates and I come show. Why Nadine Spence is heading up the team for the changing of the new constitution of Jamaica? Why is she? True, she brighter than everybody else? True, no, Jamaica not bright. We not bright. Me now waste everything on social media and the talk coffee go on. Muta Baruka, me not afraid of you. You, Tony Rebel, Buju Banton, Chief Richard Curry, Bert Samuels, Vereen Shepherd, them me a come phone you know. Nobody feel like me now come phone you know, Vereen Shepherd them. So no woman never did make it over that side when you know the truth and can't talk it. Or me did for come over here come be with everybody else. So now tell me say all of the woman them we turn Jamaican woman them in a whore and slut and nasty. And them fi come lead them in a future now to same way. Where them only pa woman you wanna defend and a big up and a lard up and a god up. Where them do to black woman in a Jamaica? What are the legacy where them have for black woman in a Jamaica? And yes, don't judge me by what I did. What are you doing now? What are you doing now for black women in Jamaica? The whole of now come and spread out and I come and look back friend and I come and try find back road. At the last, Jamaica people, may I tell you this again. At the last use this, you know I get. After this, all we decide so we not take it, I figure just a skirmish round so and see we one another afraid if we say hi and us know say, yo, which part we meet later cause that a come. Our freedom we God give it down here, we are going to defend are the one where them at creator give it. Me want to watch all of the celebrations them where come up. You see the Grand Gala where come up, watch it keenly. Seeing? Me like how you start to watch Andre. He make an attempt one day when Kabu invite him on the station because him say Queen make a call and I respect him for that. Because this was never ever about no personal vendetta. It's about how clear is the channel towards the truth towards Jamaican people. Because you know say them dunce in the majority, they don't know the truth. So if you know about it and know the truth, why you not share it with the mass so that the mass can understand the confusion with them I experience? So he make an attempt and say him like that if he make the unity amongst all away. None of them no want no unity, they want to live off of the thing where they can get off of who the whole of them come keep something or then come out and when it's necessary, roll it back, and then go back in and then come back out again and Jamaican people, the ghetto youth, them we want to know how them are going to do it. How the girl them are going to stop full of taboo. You know looking at taboo, you know looking at bumbleclad taboo. You know see a taboo full of beautiful black angels of Jamaica, Ace Spice and bumbleclad ladies saw them. You know come go on about you know God. And be there you know get about you know God going a taboo. But take out the little girl them want to send in there. And that you know for God do and love Queen Ifrica. From Queen Ifrica coming at the business, all me depend say is we have a responsibility to the little girl them we are listen to we do. And the whole of who know, none of who no support what me say. Look where the whole of who do. The whole of who go with the system against Jamaica people. And now who no go patch up, I try look friend. Ladies, I'm tell you this, a friend you look from God. And I know so you look friend from God. Here. And your soul you use to look friend from God. Where your soul there? You have it? You sure? Make sure you have your soul in there. Because I hit you have to use to look friend from the Almighty Creator. No Bible verse. And no true word session. You no love Jamaica? So what no vices there for Jamaica? Because that's all me I ask for same way. What no vices? What is no views on COVID? Because a God don't say you not defend. And me are the devil. How no do this to Jamaica? Fool no team. Do this to Jamaica. How no come back now? The devil brush you no off and I give you no favors. I want to come back now, I come go on like you don't think I saw it go. You have to go to God for true. And something you have to do for real. And something you have to dream about. And you have to do it for real. And you have to do it from a place of humbleness, sackcloth and ashes. How we are try frighten? But frighten the devil, man. Father, hold on. This is a 3 year make you see a whole heap of difference when you drop forward there, don't you? Then line up down here like a legions, you know. One of the things when I want to look in a lady saw with is that what the she say, if you leave the gay community alone, lady saw, the minister of the Almighty Creator of man and woman, womb, children, the ultimate balance of earth, tell me, say, we must love pretty Dan. So, this is why the war is on. Because here we know, it's not personal no more, a God and the devil now. So, we have to call out the devil anywhere we see it. So, we are say, if I even are you the person, the devil, they have to root it out and throw it away. Roll it away, you have to roll it away. See? So, it's a grimy work when you're working on behalf of the true and living Creator, you know. Because you cannot be afraid of anything that is evil. You have to be the bravest for the Almighty. In all of your circumstances, no matter how dark it gets, you have to be what? The bravest for the Almighty. So when I saw the sister in wrestling with what it means to worship and to truly believe when you do, me did have to step in because we're not partial. We want to serve the Almighty, all of us, each one teach one in the right way which the Almighty has made it to be. So, if me could I do so much for you in a private without no phone or no fanfaring, then why me couldn't do it for you in a public? Why me couldn't do it for you in a public? The wheat and the tears. But look it up. T-A-R-E-S. The wheat and the tears shall grow together until the day of harvest. Are you a wheat? Or are you a tear? What are you in this war? Is the Almighty now or forever with the devil? Which one you choose? Two roads before you, pick your choice. Congo man said two roads before you, pick your choice. Two roads before you, pick your choice. There is hell and there is heaven. Pick your choice. Few roads before you, yes. Pick your choice. Two roads before you. Pick your choice. Two roads before you. Pick your choice. Here is Jah, and there's the devil. Pick your choice. Pick your choice. The Almighty said, never did I go easy though. So why should we complain? Why should we complain? We have to stand up for the Almighty now, Jamaica. The Almighty with the dues against them. So, when me a call upon them people here, we can't trust PNP because PNP, I forgot tell we straight up say, them now gonna be the one we are gonna leg out the gay agenda. And labor right, here all labor right are do it now. Labor right are do it by doing this. Nadine Spence, them are some advocate for the gay agenda, boy. Yeah. So, if you take off the pressure off of him with anybody asking questions, him just make Nadine Spence head up the tambourine army for the new constitution. That's why the new constitution, we're supposed to tell them, say we don't want, them to put a halt. What we want we to unite as the people and do and tell them, say we want, is for them to put a hold on the new constitution until we figure out what we are do. Because them they behind closed doors are farm the constitution to suit the devil's outcome. Because if they were farming it to suit the outcome of the people, they would have come before the people with the brightest light that they could shine and say to every individual on this island, how and what would you want to be a part of this new constitution that we're building? The new constitution is like the furniture them where you go in a furniture store, go buy and put in your house or your choice. So how come these people busy a farm our new constitution and we can't even get a